Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is exercise 11B, measurement, part 4. Our topic is exercise 11B, measurement, part 4, and number of lecture 7. Number of lecture 7 and number of SW 6. Number of SW 6. Okay. Look, dear student, today I have select two CBQ question. Okay, which CBQ question will be taken from exercise 11B. Yes, dear student. Okay. At first you read. Creative question number 1. The area of a triangle shape is 1.6 square meter and the height is 0.4 meters. A number question. Write the formula of calculating area of a triangle shape. B number. What is the base of the triangular shape? C number. If the height is 0.6 meters, calculate the area of the shape. Okay. Okay. Now I will solve it. Look, A number question. See A number question. Only the formula. Write the formula of calculating area of a triangle. Okay. You know the area of a triangle formula, right? Area of a triangular shape equal to, 1 by 2, that means half into base into height. Okay, this is the formula of a triangular shape. Okay, A number finish. Now see B number. What is the base of the triangular shape? That means we have to determine now base of the triangular shape. Yes, right. Given that area of the triangular shape, area of the triangular shape is 1.6 square meter right now. 1.6 square meter. Okay. Also given height. Also height of the shape is 0.4 meter. Okay. Now we have to determine what is the base of the triangle. Okay, right. We know base of a triangle equal to base of a triangle. Dear student, this is the formula. Base of triangle equal to 2 into area of triangle divided by height. Okay. Look, 2 here into Area of triangle is given 1.6. Put now 1.6. Then height 0.4. Okay. As we determine the area, as we determine the base of the triangle, so we write here unit is meter. Now multiply 630 to 0.4 meter. Look, this is point, this is point. So we pick the point. Look, this is the point, so we pick the point and we write 1. For 2 we write here 0. Yes. Similarly, look, this is 0.4. We write here 4. For point we take in numerator 1. For 4 we write here 0. 10 and 10 vanish. We divide 32 by 4. Then we get 1 and we get 8. 8 meter. That means base of the triangle is 8 meter. Okay, right. Base of the triangle is 8 meter. Okay, answer 8 meter. I hope you understood. Now C number question. Look, C number question. If the height is 0.6 meters, if the height is 0.6 meter, calculate the area of the shape. Okay. Now write C number question. We have got base of the triangle is 8 meter. Right here 8 meter. Okay. Now we have to determine the area of the triangular shape. Okay. Therefore we write area of the triangular shape. Area of the triangular shape is equal to what? 1 by 2 into base into height into height. 1 by 2 into base. Base we have got from B, that 8 meter, and height in C number question, height is 0.6 meter. Okay, dear student, look, in C number question the height is 0.6 meter. This is given. Okay, now we put here 0.6. Right here the unit is square meter. Now you divide 8 by 2. 1, then you get 4. Now multiply 4 into 0.6. 4 6 are 24. After one digit you put the point. Okay. Now write the answer. Answer 2.4 square meter. Hope you understood, dear student. A number question. Now I will solve CBQ question number 2. Look, CBQ question number 2. Look, you see there is a figure A, B, C. This is one triangle and A, C, D is another triangle. Okay, base of the triangle is B, C and CD. That means here are two triangles, ABC triangles and ACD triangles. Okay, height of ABC triangle is 4 centimeter. Similarly, height of ACD triangle is 4 centimeter. Okay. A number question. Look, right. What is the area of the above ABC triangle? Okay, right. Given that base of ABC triangle, ABC triangle, base of ABC triangle is 3 centimeter. Yes, and height of ABC triangle is 4 centimeter. Right. Now, a number question, what is the area of above triangle? Okay, that means what is the area of the above ABC triangle? What is the area of ABC triangle? Okay, therefore write area of ABC triangle is half into base into height. Okay, now write half. Here base is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. See, height is 4 centimeter. Right here is square centimeter. Now divide 2, then we get 3 to the 6 is square centimeter. That means we have got area of ABC triangle is 6 centimeter. Okay, right. Answer 6 is square centimeter. Okay. Now B number question. Look. See B number question. How much is the area of ACD triangle less than the area of ABC triangle? Okay, that means we have to measure now. What is the area of ACD at first? Yes, at first you have to determine the area of ACD. Yes, right. B number we have got from A. We have got from A area of ABC triangle, area of ABC triangle, area of ABC triangle is 6 square centimeter. Okay. Now given base of ACD triangle is 2 centimeter, right, and height height of ACD triangle is height of ACD triangle is AC. Height of ACD triangle is AC. AC that means 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Okay. Now area of ACD triangle is what? Half into base into height. Okay, half into base. Here base is 2 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. You divide this, then you get 4 square centimeter. Okay, that means we determine now area of ACD triangle. Now the last line, therefore the area of ACD triangle is less than the area of ABC is, we have got area of ABC triangle is 6 centimeter. Yes, area of ABC triangle is 6 centimeter, right? 6, and area of ACD triangle is 4 square centimeter. Yes, now right here is square centimeter. Now subtract 6 minus 4, this is equal to what? 2 square centimeter, right? Answer 2 square centimeter. Okay, dear student, hope you understood. Now I will talk about HW. CBQ 1 and CBQ 2 is your HW. Okay. Okay, dear student, your submission of HW copy is very important, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy, you will get CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to submit your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or any other person can collect or submit these HW copies. Okay, dear student, no more today. See you again. Okay.